Want beautifully smooth curves when you're sewing little tabs and similar?
Do you want to see how I stitched it?
I've got my sewing machine on a straight stitch, just stitching out a regular seam. I've got iron-on stabilizer on the back here to help it look extra crisp, but that's optional. Longer stitches can look a little bit angular and jaggedy, so I'm just shortening the stitch a touch to go around it. That follows the curve much more smoothly, giving a nice curly shape. Then I make little snips all around the curve, making sure to stop just short of the stitching line. So it looks like this. If it's an even tighter curve, I might want to trim a little bit of the seam allowance first. Now look what happens when I turn it. See how the fabric fans out and overlaps? Without the snips, it would have bunched up, so now it can lie flatter. A quick press with a hot iron fixes everything nicely into place even more. Then I like to add a top stitch around the edge, so it can't shift out of position.
There we go. All done and beautifully neat. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit like and follow us, and we'll bring you more soon. Bye now.